Rebel, Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you talking to me? Are you calling to me? Fall in my arms, Mr. Rebel. Come in my yard, Mr. Rebel. Yeah, Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you on me? Are you?
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Ooh, I'm so sorry I look crusty and all over the place. Today is Saturday. It's actually Saturday morning. It's 10. You guys probably can't see, but then it's 10 a.m. right now. I didn't just wake up. I've been awake for a while now, but then I've just been lazing around. Today I'm just going to be doing like a self-care pamper routine. I'm just going to be cleaning all around my house and just like making myself feel better, because honestly we are about 6 weeks into school. It's been about 6 weeks since school resumed, and I honestly haven't had time to like properly take care of myself and like deep clean my house properly. Like every other day I wake up, I just like make sure the house is not looking all over the place, and I just put things together, and then I sweep like maybe 2 times in a week. That's when I like sweep the whole house. Other than that, I haven't really done that and like just pampered myself. School has just been taking a lot of my time, and then trying to balance school and doing YouTube is a whole lot for me, honestly. Like I won't say I'm a workaholic, but then I just like to get stuff done, beat myself up to get stuff done. And I just felt like this weekend is just time for me to take off, even though I'll still be working because I'm basically going to be filming. Yeah, so I'm just going to be taking you guys along this, and I got some new hair from Riverwood hair, so I'm going to be sharing this hair with you guys. I'm going to do a quick unboxing right now just to show you guys what the packaging looks like. I have already made it into a wig, but then like I recorded an unboxing when I got the hair, so I'm just going to play the clip after this, so you guys are going to be seeing the hair. That's the hair I'm going to be wearing in this video. So other than that, you guys, this is probably the only time I'm going to be talking to you guys, so the rest is going to be a voiceover. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So guys, this hair is from Riverwood hair, and I have 3 bundles and a closure from them. The longest is 22 inches, and then the closure is 16 inches. So it's 22, 20, 18, and then 16 inches. It came with this little toy. I don't know what it is. And then there was the eyelashes. So moving on, I just started off by like clearing everywhere in the house. And everything I did here was pretty self-explanatory, so there was really nothing to explain. I did laundry and I just cleaned around everywhere. I just wanted to take you guys around to just, spend my day with me and just watch me spend my time alone at home. Anyway, there's really nothing to say, so I'll just let you guys enjoy the music. And yeah,
what do you say to me now? Falling, you're falling behind. Finally gone, I'm the one with the winning prize. I'll be the gun on the run, I'll be shooting down. I'm the sound on the ground, I'm the winning sound. I'm the crown, I'm the vibe, I'm the leading vibe. You move me to my mind. I've been at the other side. You take me out, I know you to be my friend. I've been out now, flying over the moon. I've been under the sun, and I didn't find nobody like you. No, I didn't find nobody like you. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you listening? Rebel, are you there? Are you still in the garden? Are you there? Are you playing in the darkness? Are you out, Mr. Trouble? Are you there? Are you listening? Trouble, are you there? Are you still in the garden? Are you there? Are you playing in the darkness now? Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you running to me? Are you coming to me? Fall in my arms, Mr. Rebel. Call me my heart, Mr. Rebel. Yeah. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you on me? Are you scared? Are you in? Are you out? Who do you love? Who do you call when you're down? Falling, you're falling behind. Finally gone, I'm the one with the winning prize. I'm really gone on the run, I'll be shooting top. I'm the sound on the ground, I'm the winning sound. I'm the crown, I'm the vibe, I'm the leading vibe. You move me to my mind. I've been down, I've been at the other side. You take me out, I know you to be my friend. I've been down now. Flying over the moon, I've been under the sun, and I didn't find nobody like you, no. I didn't find nobody like you, Mr. Rebel. Are you there? Are you listening? Rebel, are you there? Are you still in the darkness? Are you there? Are you playing in the garden? Are you out, Mr. Trouble? Are you there? Are you listening? Trouble, are you there? Are you still in the garden? Are you there? Are you playing in the darkness? Now. Yeah. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you talking to me? Are you calling?
At this point, I'll normally just change into some comfortable clothes and then go and sleep or catch up on my favorite YouTubers' videos or something. But today's a little, I have to go somewhere, so I'm just going to wear my wig. I won't be doing any makeup because I'm very lazy, and it's not that serious. I'm just going to a friend's house. It's not that serious. I'm going to be showing you guys the star of this video, the wig that I'll be using for this video. I used 3 bundles and a closure for this wig. This is straight hair. I'll just put this on my hair and show you guys how it looks. Can you guys see this texture? Yeah, so you guys, this is not my first video, this is not my second video, this is not my third video. Yeah, for Riverwood hair, this is like my 4th video, and you guys already know they're like one of my favorite hair companies. I love their hair so much, and their hair is super affordable. Like, can you guys see this hair? Look at this. And take note, I didn't put any oil, I didn't put anything onto this hair. This shine is all natural. All I did was that I used like my wax stick just to prevent any form of flyaways or any of that, because definitely this is straight hair, and I was trying to get it sleek and bone straight. So yeah, that's what the hair looks like. There's no glue, nothing. Their closures are super flat too. I really love their hair. It's like, look at this. Look at this. I don't know how it was looking from behind, but then I'm sure it was looking good. So I'm going to leave all the details to this hair in the description bar below. This is one of my favorite hair companies. You guys already know that. I will highly recommend their hair. I would always root for their hair. I don't think I've received any bad batch from their hair. I don't even think they have a bad batch, and I know people that have ordered their hair and have given me good reviews. They told me they really like the hair, so I wouldn't recommend anything that is not so good for you, that is not even good to you guys. I would only recommend the best to you guys. So yeah, that's what I have to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, please click on the bell like button so you get notifications each time I upload. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.